Health regions across the province are facing similar uphill battles in maintaining a full complement of staff, from nurses to physicians and other professionals. Here in the Cypress Health Region, the most recent challenge is filling nursing positions in Shaunavon. And now, the one and only nurse practitioner in Eastend has given his resignation. According to a press release from the Health Region dated March 22nd, the nurse practitioner's last day of employment in Eastend will be May the 4th, with the call for applicants now underway.
It's always challenging when we're finding that we've got gaps in our service provider teams. So, yeah, it's an issue. We're recruiting again. We're always recruiting, looking for people for lots of our different spots.
Meanwhile, the town's mayor says the health centers faced these challenges in the past and hopes the position is filled sooner than later. And hopefully this time, employment will be available for the nurse practitioner and their respective spouse.
It's unfortunate. I mean, my understanding is that Leland was pretty happy here, but his wife was having issues with the health region, and so for the sake of his family, they're moving where they can both work, and that's unfortunate for our community. But we've, when the last nurse practitioner resigned, they said we'd never find one, and we found one. So we're just back at the board finding another one.
Morvick further stresses the importance of offering quality health care to local residents and for prospective residents in general, as Shaunavon serves as the hospital a mere 20 miles away, with only clinical, respite, and long-term care offered in Eastend.
It's critically important. I mean, when you're, we don't expect out here that you're going to have a heart surgeon, but you have to have primary health care. I mean, we're a long ways from Regina. We have full-time EMTs in the community. We have a brand new ambulance. We have a lab in the facility here. When the nurse practitioner is there, there's clinic hours so, I mean, we were doing a pretty good job, in my opinion, of delivering health care to the residents.
And as the nurse practitioner issue is resolved, the health region reminds local residents they will still have physician coverage Mondays and Wednesdays at the Eastend Wolf Willow Health Centre.
We've got the one physician visiting a couple of days a week. We do have the ability to provide some NP services from other clinics, other areas where they have that mobility. So at this point, we're just determining what's going to be our best option while we recruit.
The current nurse practitioner's final day in Eastend is May the 4th, and the Cypress Health Region hopes to have a replacement in place well in advance of the state. Southwest TV News will continue to follow this story as it unfolds.